welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Ford Puma, a stylish and versatile compact crossover that aims to combine practicality with a dash of driving fun. Let's explore what this updated Puma brings to the table and see how it stacks up against its rivals. The 2025 Ford Puma receives a subtle facelift with revised styling cues that sharpen its appearance. The front fascia now features a more prominent grille and redesigned headlights, giving it a sportier look. Inside, the Puma's cabin remains largely unchanged, but that's not a bad thing. It offers a comfortable and well-designed interior with high-quality materials and a user-friendly layout. Under the hood, the Puma offers a variety of powertrain options, including a 1.0-liter EcoBoost mild hybrid engine that delivers a balance of performance and fuel efficiency. For those seeking more power, there's also a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine available. On the road, the Puma impresses with its agile handling and comfortable ride. The steering is responsive, and the suspension soaks up bumps and imperfections with ease. Safety is a top priority, and the 2025 Puma comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. These features help to keep you and your passengers safe on the road. In terms of practicality, the Puma offers a spacious and versatile interior with ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. So, how much does the 2025 Ford Puma cost? Prices start at around $25,000 for the base model, making it a competitive option in the compact crossover segment. If you're looking for a stylish, versatile, and fuel-efficient crossover with a dash of driving fun, the 2025 Ford Puma is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive reviews and insights. Until next time, happy motoring!